Next, we'll talk about mid-column oversize typically signals that there's material or very real and major problems in the actual blast design process. Now, we typically won't see mid-column oversize in the muck pile. At the top of the muck pile, like we do cap rock. See, everybody sees the material that's part of the stemming. We all can identify that material, the large oversize sitting on top of the muck pile after the blast. It's a little bit harder to see if there's oversize in the actual shot or in the bottom of the shot. And really, the only way we'll know this is if the loader operator notifies us that there's a problem. And this is one reason that we recommend every loader operator keeps what we call a dig log. And maybe all that dig log is a breakdown of where they're digging in the muck pile on a 30-minute basis and what that digging is like. Or maybe it's as simple as check the box where you find material that you believe is oversized or harder to dig, and it's broken down to top of muck pile, middle of muck pile, bottom of muck pile. Whatever that is, we want some way that the loader operator's identifying, logging, and then submitting that to the blast engineering group so we can identify, is there other problems going on in the middle of the blast that we're not seeing when we do an analysis right off the top of the muck pile. Again, this dig logs can be very similar to a drill log, and in general, what we recommend is having some type of time and or a location of digging with a general rating of the ease of or difficulty of digging. So maybe that's a scale of 1 to 5, and the operator just writes in, this area of the blast was a 3. It was sort of in the middle on digging. This area here was a 1. It was very easy to dig. And this spot right here, it was a 5. There was something really difficult about digging that spot. That's the easiest form of this, but it gives us a lot of information to understand where some problems are occurring, not just with oversize, but maybe with not properly pulling to grade, maybe with some other problems, let's say on the heave end, we're not getting good enough heave or scatter of that muck pile, so the operator is having a much more difficult time digging. There's a lot of reasons that can occur, but at minimum, we want to know that it is occurring.